Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect external speakers to LED TV. So this is a Lenovo M0520 external speakers. Okay, to connect it, first this is the 3.5 mm audio cable of this speaker. You need to connect it to audio output of your TV, which is backside of my TV. Now I'm going to connect it. Okay, now audio out is successfully connected, and this is the USB cable of this external speaker. Okay, now connect it to the USB port of TV, or you can use USB extension cable for easy connection. And one more thing, if you already connect the pen drive to your LED TV, you can see I have already connected my pen drive to this LED TV. Simply connect it to your mobile charger, and if a USB port is not available in your TV, just simply connect it to your mobile charger. Now I'm going to connect it to my mobile charger. Okay, now come back, and if you want to listen audio from only external speakers, just go to menu, sound, slide down, and in speaker select external speaker and return. Okay, now play video.
Hello friends, so welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth mouse to your laptop. Okay, so I have that Bluetooth mouse. Okay, there are two type of Bluetooth mouse are available in online market, but I will suggest you to buy this because it is best and affordable. I have given you the link in description area below. Just go there and buy it. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth mouse. What you can see, this is the on off button, this is the optical sensor, this is the page forward
This is
and
the
backward
audio
button,
adjust level. You can
and
adjust
this
the
is
audio
the
levels.
DPI switch. Press it to change DPI level. Okay, now just remove it, open it cover. Okay, this is the battery slot. Now insert two AAA battery with.
So guys, this is the method to connect external speakers to LED TV easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.